Okay, guys, here we are texturing this sword. What we're going to go over is pretty much one-to-one the same material that we covered in the Goblin Sword project that we textured in class earlier in the first term, as well as the texturing method I used on the book. But the only difference being we do not have a proper high and low poly. We are instead going to bake our mid poly object to itself. And I'll show you how that works. So when we first log into Substance Painter, we're going to go to File, New Project. We're going to set the template to PBR, Metallic Roughness, Alpha Blend. And we're going to select our sword. My sword file that I exported out of Maya, which has only one material and has its UVs all neatly packed, is Chaos Eater Demo 02. Load it in. I set my document resolution to 4096. I have a stronger machine. If you have a more middling machine at home, go ahead and set that to 2048 and save yourself a little bit of a headache if your PC starts bogging down. But let's just go ahead and press OK. It's thinking. And here we are. Let's go ahead and prep our workstation. I do not like how big that is. I'm going to press F1 to set the menu to be divided like so. And then now here, we need to bake our maps. We need to press this little croissant button here, baking. And we're going to change our output settings to something like 4096. And important step is to check this box that says use low poly mesh as the high poly mesh. We're not going to do like we did last semester and load in a high poly, find it here, and set up our cage. No, no, no. We are going to press this little checkbox right here, and that will say that we're going to bake this to itself. Now, we just go ahead and press Make Selected Textures. It's going to think for a little bit. It's going to process. Your baking speeds will vary widely depending on your machine. Once it's done, we'll go back and return to painting mode. And what you'll see here now is our object has maps. If I go here to my texture set list, you can see that all of these have been populated with their relative maps. And with that set up, that is step number 1 on our texturing journey for this sword. I will see you guys in the next video.